Hello! I just got back from the gym and from the grocery stores, so let's do a little haul. Let's do it in the kitchen because it makes more sense, because it's food and it should be in the kitchen. Goodness, I just knocked it over and so it was hanging on one of these, so I just take it off. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Okay, wait, quick fix. Good grief. Anyways, back to the haul. Almond milk. It's just almond milk, but it's normally really expensive, but it was really cheap, so I got it. A nice little deal. Organic bloobs that were also on sale. Spicy chicken nugget things for Allison's lunch. And then I got some pasta sauce because I'm gonna make pasta for dinner today. That's the haul. So for this video, I wanted to do like recipes / meals that I would cook in a week. It's like very easy, very simple meals. As a second year out of community college, so I live at home, so I'm able to cook a lot. And yeah. Recipe number 1. Oh, I'm like out of breath. That lamp situation frightened me. I'm really into this. I'll just show you a picture. Okay, look. Does that all look so good? It's a bit of an acquired taste because of the natto, but so it's toast, gohan desu, which is like seaweed paste. It's quite salty, but it's very good. Avocado, and then natto at the top. So it's very good for you. But I don't have any avocado, but it's okay. You do what you gotta do. But so I'm gonna add an egg. That's what I meant to say. Wait, I changed my mind. I'm gonna have it with rice instead. So it's a bit less creative, I guess, but it's just what I want. I already forgot to record, but I added some natto to my rice that I just warmed up. I'm gonna add some of this gohan desu, or to the rice, I guess. It's all gonna be mixed up anyways, so that's fine. I'm not gonna put salt on my egg because I'm gonna put soy sauce in the natto bowl. And also there's already the gohan thingy. Okay. It looks so boring right now, right? And you pop the yolk. You see? Yeah. And obviously, I have my panchan here. Some cucumber kimchi and some different type of kimchi that my grandma made. And some seaweed, of course. Anyways, this is a recipes / meal ideas video, not a mukbang. So I'll see you when I make the pasta. For dinner tonight, I'm gonna make pasta with red sauce. But today I have this plant-based beef crumbles that I'm gonna just throw in there. This onion is not so good. Ew. Well, that was sad. Calling me. Hi, Amy. How are you? I'm making pasta. I'm gonna make a vlog of like recipe. Oh, that's so exciting. Yeah. What about the job thingy? What do you think about kids trip? also gonna add some zucchini because look at how old it looks. It needs to be eaten. Ready for my skills? And into the pot it goes. I almost forgot to put in garlic. What the heck? I'm gonna add some oregano, some thyme. Then, once that's all nice and fragrant, which it already is, it smells great, I'm gonna add the tomato sauce. Later, I will just season to taste with salt, pepper, some more oregano. Then later, I'm also gonna add a handful of spinach. So easy, so quick and easy. That took me like 20 minutes. Now we're ready to eat, so I'm gonna cook the noodles. 5 minutes only. I forgot to do that hack. That you oil the brim of the pot so that the water doesn't go everywhere. Ta-da! Bada bing, bada boom. Recipe number 1. Pasta. Alright. Into this small cup. I meant to say bowl. Add some yogurt. Some vanilla or whatever protein powder. You honestly don't even need to add protein powder, but I want vanilla. So, adding a little. Ooh, so smooth. Secret ingredient. Not so secret. Cinnamon. Okay, oops, that's a lot. What was this knife used for? It's so dirty.
I don't know.
Oh, I know what it was used for. It was used for cheese, for appa.
Well,
That's so easy. All done. The theme of the game is simplicity and tastiness.
No, the name
Ready?
of the game.
Oh yeah, the name of the game, because that rhymes. Welcome to meal number 2. Like dinner number 2. It's only 4:25 right now, but this one takes kind of a while because you have to let the radish soften and or else it's going to be bitter. But we're making odeng. Oden. You just get this from like Ranch 99, H Mart, Mitsuya, any Asian grocery store, and it's pretty inexpensive for 7 servings or like 4 servings in our household. But super easy. Honestly, it's kind of like cheating because these are already cooked and it comes with the soup base. Like it comes with everything. It's basically an instant meal. But all you really have to do is boil it in a little bit of water and rinse it out just to get that grease out of it. And then put it back in, add some water. Oh my goodness. Add the sauce, secret ingredient, oyster sauce. Then, it's as simple as it gets, really. So the daikon takes a really long time to cook, especially compared to this, which is already cooked. And so I'm gonna put this in the pot of water along with the soup. But I'm gonna add the soup in a little bit, not yet. I think I'm also gonna add egg. The daikon is gonna be bitter still, but now that I can like stab it, I'm gonna just put the fish cake in so that the flavors can like infuse. And there you go. I'm gonna let this simmer until dinner time. So probably for almost an hour. I'm probably not gonna simmer it for that long, but thanks for joining me. I'll see you in a few. All right, let's take a look, shall we? Ta-da! It's the noodles. 2 to 3 weeks more.
That's like a whole month and a half. And that is how you make.
Yum! Look at that steam.
Peanut butter and banana.
No, wrong.
Peanut butter and
Cum. Peanut butter and cum.
That is a weird combination.
A thin layer on half of the bread with peanut butter. And then this apple dip. Halfsies situation.
Yum!
Show them what you're eating too.
Enjoy me. Multigrain powder. That's what they call it. And mochi that you toast.
These are what we're eating right now.
Yum.
And my matcha latte, that's honestly not very good because the matcha is not very good. And cinnamon. Mmm. Hi everybody, cooking day number 2, 3 is pizza. We're gonna make some pizza.
I'm recording.
Yeah, you're recording.
Oh no. B-roll. B-roll. Dude, this is tiny. Oh my god.
That's like the whole point.
Nuts.
153 grams. This is all you
53.
of this business.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Watch this.
See it.
If you post this.
153.
Yeah. 153?
153.
Oh, okay.
Oh, 153.
Okay.
Yay! And then in another bowl, we have to mix the yeast, oil, and water. Smell it. Right?
That's insane. That's gone.
Is it? Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Okay, this is good.
I still can't get over how tiny it is.
Time to assemble. Oh, you want to? So like
Kimchi?
You want to put kimchi on the pizza?
Okay, I feel like that's fire.
Video! But the videos don't load. I mean, don't zoom. You want to see the pizza? Ooh! Wait, they look good. Okay, I'm gonna keep it closed now.